Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jamie, and on this channel we talk about all things luxury handbags, neutrals, and elevated style. If you like that type of content, be sure to like and subscribe. Otherwise, you can find me over on Instagram where I am styling my beige and brown handbags. Okay guys, in today's video, I have a double handbag unboxing. I'm so excited to share these two handbags, and no, these two bags are not on my wish list. Okay, without further ado, let's just get right into it. So both bags, I was inspired by my 2024 bag trends video. I find those videos dangerous because I end up wanting a lot of those bags. And of course, I ended up buying two from that video. But this first one, I was also inspired by my content creator, Chicago friend, Caleb Snell. He recently unboxed a Ricky from Ralph Lauren. And of course, I had to go on the Ralph Lauren website since it has more of this understated style aesthetic, totally my vibe, and I ended up finding a handbag. Without further ado, guys, here we go. This is my large, beautiful Bellport tote, and it's in this gorgeous chocolate brown color, croc embossed. It's full grain calfskin, and again, this is croc embossed. I loved the way it looked when I took a picture of this in my car so you could see how it just looks really nice against the light beige car interior. This tote, it's that great. You can put everything, it fits everything in this tote. And what I love about this one that's different than my other big tote, and that was the Celine 16 in large size. That tote, even though it's large, I'd still sometimes bring an additional tote like my Longchamp tote because it's still doesn't fit everything in that tote. But this one would take all the contents of my Celine 16 with my Longchamp items. So literally you could fit like everything in this bag, and that's what I love about this. In addition to, it's super chic on this one. Some of the details that I also want to show you is, look at this interior. It's that beautiful suede. I think it looks so nice. Two different ways that you could style the bag. This is more a trapezoid shape I have now with the two sides enclosed by the strap. And then you could also have it more as a traditional oversized tote. In terms of how to wear this bag, I would wear it mainly on my shoulder. And you can see it actually has a nice shoulder drape. It's not super tight between my armpit here and then the top of the bag. It's pretty comfortable, and I do like how it looks. I'm 5'2" in height, pretty petite. I think it's super chic, guys. And then you can fit it on the crook of your arm with these handles. Yeah, from my 2024 video, this is all about that oversized, elevated tote trend that totally checks that box. And really what did it for me was, aside from it just being really just a chic looking bag, I found it on this amazing sale. This tote is regularly $8.98 on the website. It comes in brown and black. Of course, I love this chocolate brown color. I'm a little bit obsessed with chocolate brown lately. It was on sale for like $500, and I was just like, this is a steal. I've never considered much from Ralph Lauren before, but it checked like all the boxes, and I felt like I really couldn't just give this up. So of course I checked out with it, and what do you know, it shipped, and I'm actually really like loving. This is a surprise buy from my wish list, but I think for $500, I really think this was a steal and a great addition to my collection of brown and beige handbags. So guys, let me know what you guys think. Do you have any Ralph Lauren bags? I do really like a lot of the collection they have going on, and I'm definitely going to be looking at more pieces in the future, but I think this is my very first and probably not my only piece from the brand. My next bag is also on the 2024 bag trends video, and this is about shoulder bags. I've been obsessed with the Row lately. I actually just unboxed the Park tote, and I'll have that for you guys linked as well. Their leather is so good, and when I saw this in this combination and the price point, I just had to get it, guys. This is the bag it came in. This is brand new, and I've already used it. Actually took it out to dinner. You've probably seen it on Instagram. And it's the Abby bag. I'm in love with this chocolate brown color. Obsessed. In the cutest details. I love the leather here. Oh, it's such a good bag. What I love is too, it's not only the shoulder bag, but it's a chic looking clutch. I'm a little bit obsessed with clutches too. I have a great Celine one. Just these bags that I can easily take to dinner. Such a pretty bag. And I love this magnetic closure here at the top. Look how chic that is. And of course, I love because these straps are so just minimal. They're easy to just grab and go. I really don't take a whole lot in my bag, so for me, I could even use this as a everyday type of handbag. This chocolate color, it's so good. And I'm gonna say it's the smoothest leather. The park tote is also brilliant with the leather, but this one, it just feels silky smooth to me. Of course, I'll get some scratches on it, but that's okay. I definitely love everything about this bag, the shape of it. And let's look. This is the shoulder bag trend for my video. Definitely a chic shoulder bag. Isn't that so good? I'm in love with this. Loving this. Can't get enough. But the inside is leather as well, which is nice. Super nice. I'm going to show you the inside. It's that magnetic closure. So it's just so seamless. Oop, there you go. You can hear how it has that magnetic clasp. It's very chic. This leather, it's a smooth Napa leather. Again, one of the smoothest leathers in my collection. And the price point, it's at $14.50. And with that, I felt like I didn't have more of this colorway in a clutch style. Of course, you guys know I love my Celine in the camel color. But this color had my obsession with camel and browns. So this one checked the box when it came to a brown, like day to night type of handbag. Perfect in my collection. But this is brand new, guys. I think on the row, it's sold out, but you can find it on other retailers like My Teresa. But what do you guys think about this one? I think this is such a chic handbag, and this is my second row handbag, and I can't be more excited. I feel like this is kicking off a little bit of an obsession with the row, but y'all know that I have another row handbag on my wish list for 2024 anyways, and that is the Margot bag. Okay, between these two handbags, what are your thoughts? Do you prefer one over the other? I'm so excited for these finds. Yes, they weren't on my wish list, but I think they make so much sense for my collection, and I'm excited to share it with you guys. If you have any questions about either one, I am happy to try to answer them, and hopefully after a couple months I can give you more like the wear and tear and a full review. Anyways, guys, I so much appreciate you, so be sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and I will talk to y'all in my next video. Take care.